If folding phones were a gimmick in the past, today's best foldable phones are not only marvels of engineering and technology, they are also fun and easy to use. Not quite affordable yet, but we are getting more and more technology for the high price. In this video, I will be showing you 5 amazing latest and the best foldable phones that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which foldable phone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new foldable phone, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. It's not the biggest folding phone or the most feature packed, but the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 was the first phone to change our minds about foldable phones. That's why the Galaxy Z Flip 4 ranks amongst the best foldable phones out there and until recently held the top spot also. Samsung won't rest and easy though. We expect a new Galaxy Z Flip 5 in the coming months as Samsung usually launches foldable phones before September. So in between September or October, Samsung may launch the new Galaxy Z Flip 5. We are excited to see what new feature Samsung will add in this flip phone. But the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is still worth to buy. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 was the phone that reminded us of the intense pleasure of hanging up. There is a unique feeling of closing the phone, hanging up or whatever is distracting you and focusing on the people in front of you. That screen is well protected inside and hidden from view. Bend the phone a little to take selfies from unique angles you couldn't capture before. Give yourself video controls or a trackpad on the bottom half. So there are unique use cases that you can make use of. Buy this amazing smartphone from Samsung for its larger battery and faster charging, excellent performance, beautiful and immersive display, and the best value for money foldable phone or flip phone. Oppo Find N2 Flip, built to better the Z Flip 4. For the longest time, Samsung has sat relatively unchallenged in the foldable space, and that's particularly true amidst the subset of the clamshell foldables currently out there, with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 taking the crown over from its predecessor right back to start of the Flip series. Even though Motorola has produced a few generations of revitalized Razr at this point, none have yet to match or surpass their equivalent Galaxy Z Flip each year, leaving it to Oppo to decide enough was enough. 6 months on from the release of the Z Flip 4, the Chinese rival launched its first clamshell foldable internationally, and in the Oppo Find N2 Flip, which seems purpose-built to trump the Z Flip 4 at almost every turn. It packs a zero-gap folding design rated to withstand double the number of folds as Samsung alternatives and a significantly larger battery life with a faster charging, a larger cover display, equivalent flagship performance, and perhaps most importantly, a lower starting price. A capable pair of rear-facing cameras fronted by a 50MP sensor can be used for snapping selfies thanks to the N2 Flip's huge 3.26-inch portrait cover display, while the 4300 mAh of battery keeps the phone powered up for a day without worrying, or the recharges rapidly thanks to the 44-watt fast charging you will get, which is better than Samsung Z Flip 4. Buy this amazing smartphone for its no gap and almost no display crease, undercuts Z Flip 4 on price, and plenty of support, great color options, and tons of Samsung editions like DeX, which lets you make your phone into a desktop computer with a keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Of course, we are getting closer to the launch of the Z Fold 5, and even though the rumors are suggesting that it won't be a major departure from the Z Fold 4, Samsung is capable of surprising us with the software features and unique concepts. So we are excited and waiting for Galaxy Z Fold 5. Buy this amazing Galaxy Z Fold 4 for its impressive main and cover screens and optimized for multitasking. Motorola Razr Plus. The Razr is back. The Motorola Razr Plus is more than just the best flip style phone you can buy. It's an entirely new category of smartphone offering more than any handset before it. With the phone shut, it's a compact miniature communicator, a pocket mirror, and a palm-sized map. That external display is not a gimmick and it's not low quality. It's big enough to type on the keyboard with ease. Big enough that you are not just getting driving directions, you are reading the street names on the map. The Razr Plus is the most fun phone that you can buy right now, and it's the most unique experience you'll have with any smartphone. Just like the original Razr, this is going to redefine smartphone design and unleash a deluge of copies. Flip phones are about to have a big moment now. Even when the Razr Plus is bad, it's good. The cameras aren't great, but you can create such unique angles and shots that you might forgive the blur. The battery life could have been better, but that's because the extra screen is going to draw extra power. Buy this amazing smartphone, for it's more stylish than other flip phones. Huge cover display is actually useful, cool vegan leather and unique color. Google Pixel Fold, overall the best foldable phone. The Google Pixel Fold arrives a little late to the foldable party, but it's a smartphone tablet combo that mostly delights, and it earns the top place among our ranking of the best foldable or best foldable phone. From its construction, including its precision hinge to its high resolution screen, the Pixel Fold is well thought of out Android phone that's equally at home as a small screen but thick 5.8-inch phone, or unfolded as a 7.6-inch mini tablet. The large bezels around the main screen might give pause, but it quickly fades into the background. Even the unavoidable crease down the middle is somewhat less prominent than the crease of competing foldable phones. Unlike most other foldable phones, the collection of cameras do not disappoint. They can capture lovely landscapes, portraits, macro-like photos, and long exposures that use image segmentation to blur motion while keeping other aspects on the scene in focus. There is even you can find 5x optical zoom. The Pixel Fold is at home with a web browsing, as it is high intensity gaming is supported, plus the screen's variable refresh rate keeps everything looking smooth. Android 13 is coming with this foldable phone, and it will cost you around $1,800 in the international market. Buy this amazing smartphone for its no compromise front screen, excellent construction, and great cameras and photo tricks. So these are the 5 amazing foldable phones that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.